Hello all crochet lovers! Here I'll crochet such a marvelous purse with you. Even if you are a beginner, this pattern is so simple to follow, but the final result looks intricate and full of charm. Sometime before I made this small one. It's size 8 centimeters on each side and I used hook 3 millimeters for it. Now I'll make another one a bit bigger, 9.5 at 9 centimeters. And for this bigger purse, I'll crochet the same square, but the hook 3 and 5 millimeters. So we need a clasp, scissors, plastic needle for hiding ends, and yarn. I'll use Raffia, black and craft for a small purse, and I will use black and caramel for a bigger purse. We also need fabric for lining. So let's start. Make a knot any way you like and chain 2. Then do 8 single crochets into the first stitch. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and cut the yarn. Pull it out and insert hook into the first line stitch and make a final stitch. There are 8 single crochets. You can make this beginning the convenient way. It's not that important. In the second round, I'll crochet this flower, which consists of 8 petals. Now change color and make 3 double crochets together in one stitch. Chain 2 and then repeat 3 double crochets together. And chain 2. Slip stitch. And the flower is done. Change color and let's make a square or a circle. Yarn over 2 double crochets. Chain 2, 3 double crochets. This is an angle. In the next spot, 3 half double crochets. In the next, we'll make the second angle, 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets. Then 3 half double crochets. And repeat. 1 double crochet and a slip stitch. Change color and crochet traditional granny square. 3 double crochet into any space. Then again 3 double crochets. Then an angle, 3 double crochets. Chain 2, 3 double crochets. The square is done. Let's weave all ends. The size of your square should be the same size of your clasp. For this purse, we'll need 5 such squares, and here they are. And now let's join them and make a cube like this. The last round, single crochets only. This is how the cube looks before ironing. And here I ironed the corners to have the cube shaped. Mind that clasp should be the size of your cube perimeter. As I've said, we also need fabric for lining, and from the practical point of view, I advise to sew lining for your purse, since crochet stitches often leave small gaps, and lining helps keep small items like coins, keys, or makeup from slipping through of the purse. It also reinforces the shape of the purse. So I cut squares 9.5 centimeters plus 1 centimeter at each side for sewing, then stitch them together. Briefly, I'll show you how I sew the lining to the purse. And also will briefly show how I attach the purse to the clasp. Whether to yourself or a handmade gift, it's both fun to make such purse. Good luck with your beautiful creations and see you in my next videos.